kufizura kutamba
Iwe
wakadzereka kaka
unzi wakatry kumushonera mfana wangu ayo sakajairire mfana wangu.
We're back to another reaction video. It's your boy KC and I'm here with
Yes sir, it's your boy Alkezan.
you already know, and today we have a special guest, Dilexi. Yeah, just go and follow her on IG.
Please don't go there.
Right.
Okay. Okay. In fact, today we're reacting to Garry Mapanzure featuring Muridzo and Dzebedu. Okay. Dzebedu. Yes, but
A very rare collab.
with Andy, so Garry. What do you think? Like,
I've got no comment. Not on the song.
Papa, we started a banger.
Personally, I'm trying to see like how they are tied.
Because you know, because Poko someone's my chase na holy team, so good. Yeah. So good. Zote zani kufima na machezo ingwane yangu borengwa. Okay. Without further ado, let's get straight to it. Yes sir.
Zimwe zongo daoka zangare wakuteka makalibu mabachi manager kunanga kuno spaki akiwa kakikwa kadenzi ke kudiniwa something ke kufizura kutamba
Iwe
Wakadzereka kaka
unzi wakatry kumushonera mfana wangu ayo sakajairire mfana wangu. I was going to accent karumshona. Ukasaiza mari, ukasaiza mira pula unzi miro.
mabachi manager kunanga kuno spaki akiwa kakikwa kadenzi ke kudiniwa something.
Yeah.
Kufizura kutamba kusika pashiba. We just want to go down low and low. The atmosphere makes this room kinda small. Can't take to Kahak, turn to that. Come on, to take charge. Can you stay the night? Can't take to Kahak, turn to that. Come on, to take charge. Can you stay the night? What is it? How deep is it? Dzebedu is it? Furatini we. What is it? How deep is it? Dzebedu is it? Furatini we. What is it? How deep is it? Dzebedu is it? What is it? How deep is it? What is it? How deep is it? Dzebedu is it? Furatini we. What is it?
Wow.
But when about the Dzebedu sorry.
No.
I want.
Like Dzebedu. Something. It doesn't have something to do with beer or something. The item this one. No, serious.
This one.
Like what's that?
You mean this one? Don't Dzebedu.
Chimkati.
Oh, Chimkati.
Tirime. Like Tirime, something like that.
Amana nozia. Vaninga zozia deep show na. Takadzime sis.
Dzebedu is it? Furatini we. Asambe yo. Asambe Africa. Ure kwatabanko. Konogodaga ekuza. Sebi kumanda shekendere. Peka mabengo shokotore. Sometimes you want to chipada kure. Hello. Sebi kumanda shekendere. Peka mabengo shokotore.
Wait, sasa is end man. Therefore I'm collab chango but so pindra na we.
Oh, it's working. They are vibing. Oh.
What do you think?
Hey, don't eat.
Yeah? See?
Hey,
She?
it's vibing.
But
Funga madanza nongajiruwa man. Madanza man.
You can start your own Dzebedu challenge, you know.
Yeah.
Dzebedu dance challenge.
but yeah, like. But no rock club here, man. Man, let's go.
Hallelujah, oh yeah.
This, I should say, is a very different sound from Shata Jaira was talking a kid. And it just shows how versatile he is. And yeah, that's dope.
Yeah, it's dope. It's a dope track.
I read that.
The vibe.
Flexible.
Yeah.
I read that. So
Yeah, it's dope.
yeah, it shows. Yeah, it's good to see an artist actually dip into
Other genre, like
other
type of.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Couldn't get the same thing.
Yeah, it's dope.
Now gotta spice it up. The unexpected. I don't think I was expecting such. So that's a
I think the surprise element was the best part.
Yeah.
Like it's something that we didn't expect.
Yeah, for real. But
They
the
nailed it.
yeah. Shangantiga, but well, it's a dope track. Yeah, in fact, shout out to Garry and NT. Yeah, Dzebedu, but it's also Dzebedu, so if you know, just comment down below. Yeah, it was Tagazi. Mawan. In fact, I think that's it for the reaction video. I hope you like it, share and subscribe and comment down below.